guys, welcome back to another video of Katie Kid Vlogger. Today, what we're going to be doing is an airplane challenge.
Yeah.
So technically it's like who can fly their airplane the farthest. But since she doesn't know how to fly an airplane, I'm going to show her.
No, make it.
I'm not going to make it for you.
No help.
Yeah, I know. Okay, so first you get a piece of paper and you fold it in half.
Done.
Next, what you do is you unfold it, keep it on the table, and you get the two edges and fold it to the line. Do one at a time. And take your time.
Yep. Because then you're going to mess up really badly.
After doing that, you fold it downwards, and you do the same folding again with the corners.
These.
After that, what you do is you fold it back in to where it looks like this.
Wait. I'm not really a pro.
You fold these corners in like this. And you do that on both sides.
How did you do that?
So what you can do is you can just do this, or you can do this. Can you do that? And then there, an airplane.
Done? That was hard.
Okay, so we've made our airplanes. Now to do the challenge. So we've made these little spots in the floor. This is the starting area. This is the first area. If you land it like here or farther, right there, then you'll be able to get 1 candy. The second one is 2 candy. And the third one is 3 candy. But then, if you make it all the way over into the box, you are going to be getting a super prize. Okay, now to start. 3, 2, 1, throw! Oh yeah! Oh! Yeah! Yeah. Now for Zoe's turn.
Yep.
Again. Second try. Ready?
Try.
3, 2, 1, throw! Woo! Oh my gosh.
I got 2 candies.
You got 2!
Yay!
Yeah! Now, back to my turn. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! I got 2!
Woo!
So that's it for the rest of our video.
Yeah!
Watching us make a paper airplane and doing the paper airplane challenge. Thank you. Come back next week. Bye.